Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a shifter peg on your brake side lever, the brake foot control of your Honda Shadow. Today we've got the lever from a VT750 and we've taken it off the bike and put it in a vise just so we can a little more easily film the process and show you how easy it is to do. These do take a little bit of work on the brake side. The shifter side is much easier. We also have a video for that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to attach your shifter peg to your brake lever. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the actual pad here for the brake lever. Just cut off one side here, and if you notice, I don't know if you can see in the video here, but I did not cut too close to the arm. Got a little room there so I can grind that out and finish it and blend it in here. So now we're going to cut off the back side. Now we're left with a little nubbin, and I'm going to cut the rest of this stuff off. What you're going to end up with is something like that. So now I'm going to take a grinder to it and I'm going to put a nice little curve here, little arch, and I'm going to flatten both sides out so they're even. Got our basic form here. Now I'm going to take it over to the apex wheel and the buffing wheel and just clean it up a bit. Alright, so now that I've cleaned up the end here, what I'm going to do is center punch the hole for my shifter peg. Center it where I want it. This is called a transfer punch, by the way, in case you want to know what the hell that tool is. Here we go. I'm going to make that hole a little bit deeper. And this is as I drop it. And this is an auto center punch. I'm just going to make the hole a little deeper, get a little more of an indentation. Easier to start that pilot hole. Cool. We're going to put our pilot hole in there. Okay, so now we drilled our pilot hole here, and I'm going to open this hole up to a 21/64. Cool, the battery died. Alright, new battery's in. Let's finish this. Yeah, that's better. Hole has been drilled. Alright, hole's in there. I'm going to clean up both sides, deburr it. Cool. Now we're going to put our bolt and our shifter peg in. And action! All right, next step is you're going to put your shifter peg and your bolt in the lever. Super complicated. Allen bolt, 3/16. Excuse me, an Allen wrench, not a bolt. Now sometimes you might want to put like a screwdriver or a drift, something through these holes to hold the peg while you tighten the bolt on the back side. So for right now I'm just going to hand tighten it just so I can show you guys how it's done. And there you have it.